Let's we will go through with the first problem. That is the revising the select query one. This is the very basic question. We will solve see after the question. I will read the question. This question will be goes like this. So query all columns. All columns means we will go. Your mind will be strike out that what we will use here for the American cities. All the details in the city table. The city table also they given. You can observe here. This is the table they given ID, name, country, district, and population, all the details, and what are the data types they are assigned to those. All these are the given here, and the conditions. What are this with population larger than 1 lakh? You can observe this. This is the first condition, and both the conditions are satisfied or not. Any one of these is required, so they're not given, so we can consider as the both the condition will be satisfied here. So the country code for the America is USA. Most of the people are confused here, so they think like that what mean country code America, so not here like that here. So country code again they is assigned to America is USA. In this America country they assign to the city is USA, like that way we can go it here. So I will go to the sample data. I have some sample data. We can observe and write it out here. Wait a minute. Yeah, you can see here. Now this is the table data. So first of all, you observe here in this population. So population data, we will assume here population is larger than 1 lakh we needed. In this population, you can observe first record I have 8 lakhs. 80 lakhs and the 39 lakhs, like those and all 1 lakh and the 160 lakhs in this USA. In the sixth record, observe here sixth record, small town USA, Texas district. In this district I have 50K records only, but in our population we need 1 lakh records, right? So doesn't all how to filter out this, we can write the query like this way. In the here in the country code I have Canada, but in our question what they given us, you can observe USA only we needed here. So we can don't need sixth and seventh record also, so we will be remove out those. I will be remove out those things because of we don't need. Okay. Not this much of simple. We are not regarding like this. I will write the query what they are needed for this question. So first of all, observe here in our question what they is given. Here here we can observe query all columns. Query all columns. All columns means we use the asterisk symbol, so that's why we will get the entire data. Select star. This is the important thing. From where? City table. From city table, what the conditions they are given to us, we can observe here two conditions they given: population larger than 1 lakh, and another one is the country code for the America is USA. Okay, this thing will be we write where we will write with those things, we will be write in the where class. In this where class we write population, one thing, population larger than 1 lakh. So what condition we use? Greater than is the for this, we will get the greater than 1 lakh records. 1 lakh, and another condition will be both the condition will be true, then only we will get the data, otherwise we will get a wrong output. So then after we go to the country code. Country code equal to USA. One more thing guys, when you are writing the query, this is the important thing here. When you are writing the any character details, varchar data, we use only the use the single quotes, otherwise we will get an error. And one more thing, what this is the important character is the, in this table data is case sensitive. If you mismatch the case sensitive details, we will get the wrong output. If you use like this small, instead of capital use a small, instead of small we use the capital, we get the wrong data, we will get the wrong analytical details. So that's why this is the very important. We will see observe this query now. This is the complete details. I will be comment out the first table. This is the sample, otherwise we will get the error, right? Yeah, we will run this query. Okay, where we did the mistake again. I think we will return the lodged. Oh yeah, 10,000 1 10 lakh records. Yes guys, this is the way we will write the query. Let's move on to the second problem. This is the similar to the first problem. Go with the, I will read the question, then we will move to the a problem how to will be right, same similar like, but one condition they will be given here and one column we will be adding out here. uh, Query the name of the field for all American cities in the city table. Same similar question, but one twist is in this question, till now we have a one major one thing we will be get. So comment out that what you observed in this highlighted one. This is the one thing we will be right, our queries will be completed with the population larger than 1,20,000 records. In the previous question we have 1 lakh records only, and the country code. Okay, country code for the America is USA. Like this is the same on the first question. We will same first table, city table like that, and they given the some columns, I mean ID, name, country code, district and population, and assigned data types they will be given. We will go to the writing the query. I'm not I'm wasting the explaining about the sample table. You already know. I will take in the sample data. We will go to the select. We know select the query, and we will mention out here, clearly mentioned here first in the top of the query. Query the name of the name field only. They now we are accessing only the name field. In the previous question they asked us retrieve all the details, all the column and fields, so like that way. So I am going with writing the query like here. So name, I need only the name of name. Okay, from. Okay, where which table we want to retrieve this data, we will getting the data from the from table. So sorry, city table. So from city, this is the enough of the details. We are getting the all the names of in this city. Now we write the major condition here. So population is the 1,20,000 records, and the country code is the USA. Please pause the video and write the logic. After the writing the query, we will see the resume the video, and again you can watch out. So population, and last time I rated here mistake. I rated 10,000 oh sorry, 10 lakh records. And what we will get you right, another one is the country code. Country code, right? Yeah, country code equal to USA. Using the USA. Why I am writing the capital? Because here in the question he clearly mentioned out USA in the capital. That's why we are getting the writing the query in the capital here. And one thing, when they mentioned any particular field name, so go with like this way. Just run out this query, we will get the output. Oh sorry, I am not commenting out the sample table. We will comment on out that. Yeah, this is the query. We will move on to the third query. Yes, we will get the data like this way. In this problem we also follow same problem like problem 1 and problem 2. We have some difficulty levels are there. So we will observe the problem statement, then we will move to the writing the query. First I am reading the problem. So query all columns attributes for every row in the city table. We already know what are the details in the city table. So fields, ID, name, country code, district, all and those are the fields are the dates. I mean columns. So we will what we will get in this query. Just simply we will retrieve the query. That's the enough for this question. Okay, just I am writing the query. So select, then we move to the star. From which table? City table. That's the query. This is the solution for this query. We will move to the next question. Let's move on to the problem statement. I will read out on it. It's also in the same table, city table. So you already know the what are the attributes in there, and records and fields also there. So I going to the reading the problem. Query all columns for the city in the city table with the ID 1661. I will be highlight with you 1661. Actually we have in the field attribute I mean column ID also there. So we'll go on to the like this way. I will be write on the query. So first we will get to select the query, and then but here what we need, what to read the problem again, what actually he asking, they asking query all columns. So we will go with the star. All columns mean we will go to this star. Star from which table? we already working with this city table, so that this city table, and what they asking, id, where the id equal to 1661. So where id equal to 1661. So because of why I am not mentioning any quotes here, because of it's a numeric, so we'll go with the without quotes. I'm running this query. Yes, we will pass the test case. I will be executing. Yeah, we will get only the one record. Each record have unique values. I mean, id is a primary key they considering here, so we will get the one record 1661. We will get the output. We will go to the next problem. Let's solve this problem. Japanese cities attribute. I will read the query. I mean problem statement. What they given. Query all attributes of every Japanese city. In the table city, we already previously working on the same table, so we'll work out on this here. What they majorly asking here. Country code. They highlighted in here. Country code. So for Japan is JPN. Okay, now what we will do, query all attributes. In your mind you will be strike out on that. If you any time given all, we will must use on the asterisk symbol, we will get the all attributes, I mean all column and values. So I will writing the query here. So first of all what we will do, I will imagine that. So select, okay, then star asterisk, okay, star or asterisk somewhere from city table, and then what the major condition for here. So country code, so country code for Japan is the JPN. We need to write here where in where class we write to country code equal to JPN. That's the enough, query will be done. So where country code equal to JPN, must and should write it in the quotes because of it's a string data, right? Sorry. Okay, varchar varchar data type. I'm going with the programming way. So that's why we'll getting a, see, we will get the output like this way will be written.